Welcome to WebConnect Plus.
For the first time ever, an industry first, 6 businesses coming together to integrate and automate and help our customers grow and develop revenue streams. This is not just important for the customer, but it's also important for the printing industry as a whole in the 21st century. WebConnect Plus. Infigo, the leading provider of web-to-print and e-commerce solutions. We look to grow your customer's business and your customer's businesses, as well as providing additional revenue streams. We're here to provide solutions with workflow and automation and help you survive in the 21st century.
Significans Automation, we're an integrator to the printing and packaging space. Our unique proposition is that we're neutral when it comes to software, and we help businesses grow to the point of being a turbo switch for their customers.
At Enfocus, we've designed an automation platform called Switch, which allows the user to achieve end-to-end automation using best-in-class pieces of software anywhere in the world.
Motionalysis, we help manufacturers increase capacity and improve OEE using IoT technologies and Industry 4.0 standards.
Ronik Inc. manufactures wide-format printers for commercial production. We provide high-quality and high-speed printers that will last you a lifetime.
Elitron, bringing automation to digital finishing. We supply digital cutters for sign, display, and packaging.
WebConnect Plus brings together 6 partners. Infigo for web-to-print, Significans Automation for workflow automation, Enfocus for advanced pre-flighting and in-position software, Ronik for high-speed printing, Motionalysis for shop floor analytics, autonomous robotics for material handling, to the Elitron system for high-speed digital robotic cutting. That is the essence for smart end-to-end integration, or as we've named it, WebConnect Plus. Lights out automation, all on one floor.
What we have here today, from the web storefront all the way through to the printing, the robotics, the finishing, you can see the complete turnkey solution. And ultimately what that does is that allows us to help our customer and give them the resources to understand the importance of this. This will save them on waste, which is so important in the modern world. It saved them time, it will save them money, but it will also help them make money that they never even thought they could make. There's nowhere in the world, or any organization or large corporate in the world, that has a community like this. And that's something that's very dear to us.
Our community is here to assist with your future.